Welcome to my channel. Why do we cough? 1. Use a humidifier. Dry air can aggravate the symptoms of a cold, making it harder for mucus to drain and triggering coughs. Using a humidifier in your bedroom or living room adds moisture to the air to help clear your sinuses and soothe your throat. With your humidifier, try to aim for the right humidity. The air should range from 30% to 55% humidity. To get an indoor house plant. If you don't want an electric humidifier, consider getting a house plant. Plants can help regulate indoor humidity due to a process called transpiration, which is where water vapor is released from the flowers, leaves, and stems. Good indoor plants include bamboo palms, aloe vera, Chinese evergreens, various species of philodendron and dracaena, and weeping figs. Indoor plants also help clear the air of carbon dioxide and pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene, which may otherwise irritate your throat. 17. Try an air purifier. In addition to humidifiers, air purifiers help clear the air of allergens that cause coughs. It has the added bonus of keeping your house smelling nice and clean. An electronic cleaner is especially good at sweeping mold and pollen particles from the air by catching them on an electrically charged plate. Another type of cleaner, known as an ionizer, makes electrically charged ions that bond to particles in the air and causes them to cling to walls, ceilings, and drapes. 18. Sleep on your side. Sleeping can be hard when you have a chronic cough. Getting enough sleep is important in order for your body to heal itself so you can get rid of your cough. Studies show that sleep deprivation can weaken the immune system, increase the production of stress hormones, put you at higher risk for chronic disease, and lower life expectancy. If you have a persistent cough, try to lie on the side that is least congested to breathe comfortably and allow the mucus to drain. 1920. 5. Prop your head on a pillow. If you have trouble breathing while you sleep due to cough, try to prop your head up on a pillow to improve airflow and keep mucus from blocking the sinuses and throat. The pillow for your head should support the natural curve of your neck and be comfortable while also helping you breathe better. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos.